Micah, Micah, good boy.
Stinky, stinky. Oh, stinky. Stinky, stinky.
This is Heather Wright. What's the last name? Weedman with her son Micah. Micah's head. Micah's face. Micah's face. Gorgeous face.
Hey, stinky boy.
And this is Judy Kigami, one of the greatest friends that you could ever have. And this is
And
Salvia.
the greatest Sunday school teacher and the greatest principal you can have.
Oh, this is a chatterbox over here, Heather speaking. Oh, we can't see her face. This is Salvia, who might be Fort McMurray one day, who knows? And look, this is my little cousin Pierre. Hello, Pierre. Hello, Pierre.
Hi there.
Dis bonjour.
Bonjour, Pierre. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Micah.
And this is Pierre's grandmother, Aunt Cynthia.
This is a no.
No.
No.